So how do you fix some pliers that don't want to open up? Use a little bit. That's about it. So how do you fix them? Easy. Bacon. Observe. Alright, first you gotta fry some. You gotta fry enough to get a nice little pull of grease going. I only needed 3 pieces because I don't buy little bitch bacon like everybody else does. This is thick cut man bacon. Alright, next we're going to take the bacon out of the pan and separate the grease. So you got your bacon to the side. Now, the grease catching device. Come over here. And slowly pour it. It's alright if it's got chunks. Alright, now you have your bacon grease. Every drop counts. Alright, next up, pliers into the bacon grease. Get them all in there, covered up. You can let them sit for a little bit if you want. Just try and get them as covered as possible where all the movement happens. Alright, that should be good. Now, the next step is to pull like hell. But I'm going to wipe this off first because I don't want grease on the counter. There. And you just repeat. There you go. Bacon grease. It works. And if you're on a boat, always remember sport boats don't go anywhere without bacon. So if you're starting to freeze up, ask the cook to dip them in the grease box. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm out.